Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ida. In this video I'm going to talk about how you can make money in the real estate. Number 8, through the long-term residential rentals. Through the long-term residentials, you can involve yourself in buying and holding residential rentals, get rentals and also get involved in rental properties because people will always need a place to live in. So this is one of the ways you can make money in the real estates, by involving in the rental properties because people will always need a place to live in. It will require you to get a good location for the long-term tenants. Make sure you get a good location for your tenants. To get money in the real estates, you also need to buy a property on discounts. Make sure you get properties on discounts so that you can get more money from the real estate business. That is one of the ways you can get money from this business. Number 7, you can get money from real estates through the home renovation flips. So if you want to acquire money in the real estates, you can involve in home renovation of flips, which requires enough knowledge and experience to avoid losing at the end. For example, this business requires you to select the right home for renovation so that you can get the customers and get the money from the real estates. You can go after the ugliest house and renovate them. Make sure these houses are in the nice locations. Renovate and upgrade these ugly houses in these locations and then add values on them so that you can resell them at the highest price and then get yourself some income or some extra money. Renovating these ugliest houses in the nice location, you renovate it, upgrade it and make it look interesting and nicer so that people can get attracted to it and then they buy these houses. To make money in the real estate business, you can choose to go for the home renovation of flips. You need to understand the after repair values and also network well with the real estate agents so that you can get more or massive money in this home renovation of business, in this home renovation real estates. Number 6, through the leasing option. If you want to acquire more money in the real estate business, you can choose a lease option. Leasing options involves buying a property at a discount and sell your rights for the purchase to someone else. You can choose to lease properties by buying a property at a discount and then later sell it to another person, especially when the market is climbing. So this is a better option for you to get money in the real estate market. The leasing option is the best way to get money in the real estate business without even investing much capital, because you can lease a property with a name of buying it, but it doesn't necessarily mean at the end you are going to buy this property. So if you want to make more money in the real estate business, you can opt for leasing. You can make money through the contract flipping. It requires getting a distressed seller. To get money in the contract flipping, you will need to get a distressed buyer. You will need to get a distressed seller and then a motivated buyer, the person who is willing to buy this property of this distressed seller. And then you bring them together so that you can also sign the contract with both of the parties. The trick for the contract flipping is to identify a distressed seller and find a buyer for him or her. You can straightly enter into the contract. So make sure you find a buyer for the seller so that you can get into the contract. To get money in the contract flipping business, it's better to be able to identify vacant homes or behind the mortgage homes. If you want to get money through these contracts flipping, identify the homes which are vacant and then get buyers for them, so that you gain much money from this real estate business. Number 3, you can make money in the real estate through the short sales. Short sales requires the parties to agree on the transaction. A short sales will require the parties to agree on the transaction since the property is sold off for lesser than its own on the existing mortgage. So if you're going to involve in the short sales, make sure you agree on the transactions before you involve yourself in the short sales real estate business. Short sales is a good idea because you can get a chance to check out on a home and enter into the negotiation process. Short sales takes time, but it is worth the wait. So if you want to make money, you can go for short sales. If you want to make money from the real estate business, you can also go for vacation rentals. Through the vacation rentals, you can make a lot of profits and income if you are in a highly traffic tourist location through these vacational rentals. With this, you don't need to own a property to make money. High-end consumer experience so that you can make money from the vacational rentals in your area. Make sure you are in good terms with the property owners so that you can get more money from the vacational rentals. You also need to network with the people around you or other people so that you can build strong bonds between you and other people. Through this, you can manage vacational rentals for the owners. So to make money in the real estate business, you can go through the vacational rentals. Number 2, you can also make money in the real estate business through hard money lending. If you're carrying out hard money lending, it's a better idea in that some people may require hard cash when they don't have the cash right away, but they have a property. He or she may decide to borrow money from the money lenders, and then he gives the land as a security to these money lenders with an interest. You can get income or make money through the interest which this person might provide you, which this person might give you after lending him or her the money. So if you want to make money in the real estate business, you can involve in hard money lending so that you get the money. Number 1, you can earn money in the real estate through the commercial real estates. You can focus on flipping properties and developing them. Make sure you get a property and then develop them so that use it in the commercial way. It requires you to add values on the properties and increase on their net worth through renovation and upgrading the properties so that you can get customers for this and gain income through them. If you want to make money easily in the real estate business, you can opt for these commercial real estates. Those are some of the ways you can make money through the real estate business. Thank you for listening to me. If you have liked the information in this video, you can consider subscribing, like, share, comment. For the returning subscribers, thank you for always returning. If you're new, thank you for visiting this channel.